Hey there, beauty enthusiasts! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the ultimate makeup transformation that's perfect for all you busy bees out there. Whether you're rushing from class to a get-together or just need a quick refresh before hanging out with friends, we got you covered. Let's start with the basics. A good skincare routine is your best friend when it comes to quick changes. Cleanse your face to remove any impurities and give yourself a fresh canvas to work on. Now, for the fun part, makeup. I'll walk you through some easy-to-follow steps that will elevate your look in no time. Remember, it's all about enhancing your natural beauty and feeling confident in your skin. First up, a tinted moisturizer or BB cream is a lifesaver. It evens out your skin tone while keeping things light and breathable. Swipe on some cream blush for that instant rosy glow. And don't forget a quick dab of highlighter on the high points of your face to catch the light beautifully. Eyes are the window to the soul, right? Define them with a swipe of mascara and a neutral eyeshadow if you're feeling adventurous. A pop of color on the lids can make your eyes stand out. Lips are just as important. A tinted lip balm or gloss can add a splash of color while keeping your lips hydrated. And the best part, it's super quick to apply and easy to carry for touch-ups. And voila! You're ready to go from school to party without skipping a beat. Remember, makeup is all about expressing yourself and having fun. So experiment, find what works for you, and rock your look with confidence. If you enjoyed this quick transformation guide, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Until next time, keep shining, keep smiling, and stay gorgeous.